A happy Environment Day to all those who wish the environment to strive long and healthier. Before we get started with the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Do like, comment and share this video to someone who you think this video would be useful. In 1972, on the first day of the Stockholm Conference, it was designated as the World Environment Day, which was 5th of June. 2 years later, in 1974, the first celebration was held in the theme Only One Earth in the city of Spokane in USA. Even though the Environment Day celebration started in 1974, in the year 1987, the idea of rotating it to different host countries began. According to United Nations, the celebration of this particular day gave opportunities and responsibilities to individuals and communities to preserve and enhance the environment. Eventually, the World Environment Day has been developed to raise awareness about the environment problems such as air pollution, plastic pollution, illegal wildlife trade, increase in sea level, and food security by others. In 2020, the theme was Time for Nature, exploring nature on the iconic spots. The theme for the Environment Day 2021 is Eco-Restoration, and we would see the launch of the UN Decade of the Eco-Restoration for the year 2021 to 2030. It means using the ecosystem on land and in the oceans to strengthen the natural resources and processes. Actions for restoration can also mean preventing degradation, reducing extinction, and also conserving the ecosystem as well. This timeline has been identified by the scientists as the last chance to prevent the catastrophic climatic change. Only with a healthy ecosystem we could enhance people's livelihood, counteract climatic change and stop collapse of biodiversity and restore and achieve global goals. The UN Decade for 2021 to 2030 is also the deadline for the Sustainable Development Goals. It is not always easy to return a degraded ecosystem into its original state. However, this generation has some time to make peace with the nature. Eco-restoration can also happen in many ways and also can take many forms, such as growing trees, greening cities, redwelling gardens, changing diets, and also cleaning up of rivers and coasts. The economics of such inactions is at least 3 times costlier than the actual cost of eco-restoration. This plan has been in our country for more than 2 years. In 2019, during the Environment Day, when the Prime Minister announced the ban of single-use plastic throughout the country to 2022, and 2 years now, several state governments have announced their ban as well. Plastic waste pollution and its impact on marine life and the human food chain has been identified globally as the potential health hazard. According to Clean Kerala Mission, Kerala generates 450 tons of plastic every day, and a family generates 60 grams of plastic every day, and 70% of it ends up in the sea. In the past 3 years, fishermen who went to the sea have brought tons and tons of plastic back to the harbour in Kollam. These plastics were collected, segregated, shredded, auctioned, used for construction of roads. Waste segregation at source is a concept that most of the locals haven't taken seriously or don't understand. If every resident would take it seriously, all the waste problems that come up in the city would be resolved and all the ecosystems would be resolved, including mangroves, farmlands and wetlands. This year, the host of World Environment Day is Pakistan. The government of Pakistan plans to expand and restore its forest cover to 10 billion tree tsunami over 5 years. Restoring could also remove 13 to 26 gigatons of greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. The campaign includes mangroves and forests as well as planting trees in urban settings such as schools, colleges, parks, public pavements, etc. Let's all join hands for ecosystem restoration and make the environment healthier for the future generations. Happy World Environment Day.